got any final thoughts for the show?
Make jukes, not war.
Can we edit that out?
Nope. I had my game face on.
And welcome to another video. Now today I've got something slightly different, as the box is already open. It's actually a ring box. We always love a bit of David boxing. He always uses a bit of random boxes. However, this is a mail call from my good friend Twyce Diecast, or David. And it's one I opened up on video. If I put you all down, it's a one I already opened up. And in fact, it's a one I'm going to open up again and show off, because it's sort of like a sharing thing to show you all what's coming very soon, as there's a lot of things in here that I want to showcase and show off. In fact, I'll give you a quick flash in there. There's a lot of things in there that are getting their own special dedicated video, so why not kick things off? First thing to pull out the box is this, which is Diecast X. What I'm learning now is an American diecast magazine. I'll give you a quick flick through. It covers all scales from 1/64 scale onwards. Hot Wheels, all sorts in here. It's a brilliant little mag, and something I am genuinely going to have a flick through and read, which I already have done, to be honest. So me and David opened this box up as a part of his new series on YouTube called the What's Crackin', which is basically David sends you a box, you open it, and with him you talk and chat. And we had a very good conversation that lasted over an hour and a half, which was very interesting. I enjoyed it very much, and I hope David did too. So that video is live now. If I put it on screen now, hopefully I'll remember in post. We had a very good conversation. I hope you all enjoy, and I just want to share that out and let you all know that I was on there. What's next? Well, I'm just going to stick my hand in the box and pull it out, and it's actually one of my favourite pieces that I actually got. It is this, which is a BMW 850i from the Matchbox Premier collection, one of 25,000 in the world. Now, this is my first Matchbox Premier from anyone. I've never really picked one up. I've never even seen one in person before. And what a diecast sort of piece David could have picked. The card is completely straight. It is absolutely beautiful. See on the back there, Premier collection. It is absolutely perfect. There was not a thing wrong with this thing. It is absolutely perfect, and it's the perfect one David could have picked for me, actually, as my dream car, as I discussed on the actual episode itself, is a BMW 850i in red with a red interior. What is next? I shall put my hand into the box and pull it out, and it is the first thing we actually pull out of the box. I'm not going to reveal the order fully on here, and actually some of the things in there are staying secret, because I want you guys to watch it and see what David actually sent in our discussion. This is a 2-pack, something we don't get in the UK. Featuring a Subaru BRZ in a Pandan body kit, and a Lexus RCF in a GT3 kit, if I believe that's what it says. Yes, it is. There's so many different Lexuses and they all look exactly the same. It's a bit difficult to pinpoint it. This is a very cool one for me and David. Knew I would like this one. This is going straight on the wall on my collection. I've already up to some great stuff, some oldies and some newies, but this is one of the very special things in my collection now. It is in fact my oldest thing in the collection. It is a perfect, unpunched, perfectly straight card with no soft points at all. It is unbelievably nice. 1982, I believe, released. If you look at the copyright information below, there we go, 1982. Chevrolet Corvette. I believe this is a C3 or maybe C2, can't quite remember. This thing is just nice. It's just every single bit of it is just nice, and it is just beautiful. It is my most oldest and probably best card in the collection, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, what a card, and the fact it's unpunched is just unbelievable. I'm talking rubbish here, but hey, when am I not? This thing is just crazy good. Very, very nice and value piece. The next bit of the package that I'll always love about David's sort of packages is that it always features such a varied. It's never sort of specific to American or a single sort of brand. It's always featuring things like this magazine, which is just completely unexpected and random. The older sort of stuff, newer stuff, it's always such a complete random sort of job. And as I pull out the next one, I'm not sure what it is, I literally just stick my hand out and pull it out. I'm sure we'll see another one of those, an example of that, which is, oh yes, this is a good one, a Johnny Lightning, the Italian Job Mini Cooper. Now, for those of you who don't know, I actually have a Mini Cooper, one of my favourite cars ever. I love that thing. Here we go on the back. This one might get its own dedicated video if I can bear myself opening it, which I might, I'm not sure yet. This one's just like my good friend Jimmy. He has one of these in this exact colour and almost this exact spec, except his is a newer one. What a cast. Very good picks from David. Is this is a good one. I can feel it by the texture of the box. It is a DCT or Diecast Team 2015 Nissan Juke 2.0. Oh, sorry, Nissan Juke R 2.0. What a cast! This is the most accurate Nissan Juke cast ever in any scale, in my opinion. It is absolutely unbelievable. I can't wait to get it cracked on the channel and show you all what it really is and what my opinion is on this very polarizing brand very, very soon in the coming weeks. And the final thing out of the box is this, which I am not going to open until it has its own dedicated video. This thing really gave me a reaction on the video. I was silent for a good few minutes. We got a cut, in fact, because I wasn't expecting anything like this. There's a little notion of what's inside. Just absolutely unbelievable, and David is just absolutely mental for this. So that is the diecast haul from David there. A very, very good pickings from him, as per usual. David is always a very, very good, thoughtful person and knows exactly what I like. So when he sends something, I always know it's going to be a very, very good unboxing. Now, something I'd like to note is, for all of you who haven't already, please do follow David at Twyce Diecast. He is an absolute legend among the Diecast community, and always supports everyone around him. So this is it. This is the haul from David, including his American ring box, which is quite interesting, with a few spelling mistakes like colour spelled O-R instead of O-U-R. Either way, I would just like to say a huge thank you to David, and if you haven't already, please go and watch our interview we did together. We had a very long discussion. It was very well worth it, and I enjoyed it a lot. So without further ado, everyone, look out for these two getting reviewed singly, definitely by themselves. Anywho, stay safe everyone, have fun, and of course, stay juke'ing.